arguable, y'all, that the Ford Expedition is the most comfortable riding vehicle for a single person or a family. Such a comfortable drive, plenty of power, great fuel economy, and just bukus of interior space. The one we're in today, Clay and I are headed to downtown Winder, and I'm telling you what, I've been catching some Z's back here in the back. It's so comfy. We got the captain chairs, nice little armrest, seat back that reclines as well, and the interior that is so premium. And this is actually an XLT package, and this is, you got it, our COVERT edition. You're gonna have to stick around to see the exterior of this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful diamond of the day right here on YouTube, y'all. So we also have great things like twin panel moonroof, which is so amazing. It's got essentially the whole portions of your first and second row. So I love that because you can just open that shade up to change the whole vibe and environment of the Expedition. When it's all closed, it's nice too, and it's probably what you need during the summertime. But right now it's 68 degrees, and we'll pop this thing back or just have the sunlight coming in. Is just a money setup. Heated and cooled seats, dual climate control, the 8-inch touchscreen with the updated sync system. You've got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitor. The magic happens in the third row. Back here, compared to the Tahoe, which has dominated the segment for so long, it had a solid live axle. I think the Expedition has made them step up and go to the independent rear suspension like the Expeditions had. This new body style change here, the current one, has been phenomenal, and it's kind of been the best kept secret because so many people still stay with the Tahoe and GMC Denali's so much because they've been so popular for so long. But the second and third row legroom is tops in the Expedition, and especially the independent rear suspension, your legs are not, your knees especially, are not up in your chest as much because you have a lower threshold because of the independent rear. You know, when we're going on trips, we own the Expedition as well. It is the money go-to vehicle because it's got plenty of space. We actually have our dogs that ride right here in the center with us to the beach, and Brady's got all the room that he needs back here in the back. The ride quality on 22s is so pristine, and like we said, you're going to get in the low to mid 20s on fuel economy with almost 400 horsepower. 400 horsepower if you have the Platinum model that's got the high output EcoBoost, but you got a fuel efficient, powerful, premium bad boy. Wait till you see the outside. So y'all, I really can't describe, I mean, look at that. We're 3-inch lifted on 35s. You're going over curbs like it's nothing. I really can't describe how good the Expedition rides. It's just different. A truck is more rugged. It has more of just a different drive ability than the Expedition does. The Expedition has that street luxury performance vibe. Like if you wanted the all-inclusive vehicle that has all the amenities, rides the best, most comfortable, it's got to be an F-150 or Expedition. It's got to be. I mean, there's, you know, it's a battle between truck or SUV for the vacation or long extended trips. And we got the dogs on, boys. We got dogs. So all of our people going to see Vandy this weekend, you know, there's a lot of Akins Ford Expeditions headed up to Nashville. A lot of Akins Ford F-150s too. Coverts as well, y'all. So check this out. So right here is where we shot our Thunder Edition truck. We're out here trying to find a place to review this beauty, and that was the iconic location for the Thunder, the Black Thunder. So check out that video also. What's up, y'all? So found the perfect spot. We filmed the Thunder Edition #2 right here as well. So a perfect spot. Clay, show them the amphitheater. So we've got a big, huge lawn here. And with this type of vehicle we're reviewing today, we need a full crowd. So at least we have all of you great YouTubers and followers of ours checking this video out because well deserving. #3 of our COVERT Edition Expedition. Ooh, y'all, I don't know. So you got the Stormtrooper, you got the black, and now the magnetic. So this is a special one because magnetic is no longer a color. It's got carbonized gray has replaced it, and there's none other like this one in the country. That's what makes this one truly special, and it's available right now at Akins. So let's start up front. This started as a XLT 4x4 Ford Expedition at Akins and Winder, and it had chrome everywhere. There was chrome in your top, middle, and bottom bar. There was a texture black there, your blue and black on your emblem, and we just elevated it with a custom magnetic and black emblem combo. Did this center bar magnetic and then black on your 3 bars that go horizontal across the center of the grill right there. Looks phenomenal. Notate in the headlights, we did complete blackout and did magnetic within, which is a truly game changer. And then also, y'all remember, this low beam headlight is a halogen headlight. It's not a projector bulb. So we even converted this to a projector bulb, so the visibility and safety while driving this vehicle is just improved. Plus it just looks unreal, y'all. Just tell me it looks so premium. Up front, this lower skid plate was like a gray color, a silver. We did gloss black on that, and your lower valence here, we did body color and took away the texture and did black on your fog light surround. Y'all, honestly, this is the kind of stuff that they should be doing on the vehicle in the stock form. This is premium upgrades that make the vehicle look so much better. So I love that they don't do it, because we get to enhance and make it look so much better. Now this truck is 4-wheel drive, and it is coming for anything you want to throw at it. An Escalade, a Yukon, Tahoe, whatever you want, y'all. We got 4-wheel drive. We're on 35s, 3-inch lifted, and we're ready to attack. We're ready to go to the beach. We're ready to go to see the dogs play. Whatever you want to do, we can handle it. We can go to Durhamtown and go off-road if you want to, okay? So let's go. Coming around, y'all, our kit consists of that ready to, I hope you saw it first. We got the rock lights within. Now let me show you something right here too. Not just a rock light, but you want to stunt in the 4-wheel drive. We got the different strobe effects throughout too. What you know about that? But essentially, y'all, rock lights are a great benefit. Besides flexing, they also illuminate your whole surroundings at nighttime. So when you're using your backup camera, trying to not hit the trash can when you're backing out, or try to maneuver out of a parking lot, you've got lighting that you can illuminate your surrounding with and stunt while backing up safely. What you know about that, y'all? So we got Fuel Rebel wheels, 20x9, plus 20 on the offset to make the dream work. We got 35, 11.5, 20. Prior to, we ran a 285, 65, 20, which is not quite as tall or wide. So this setup here is the most tire we've been able to fit on the Expedition yet. So number 3, we said we want to go a little bit bigger. So we got a 35, 11.5, 20 Ridge Grappler hybrid tire. It looks so aggressive. It makes the dream work because it still rides smooth and is quiet. So the Ridge Grappler is a must. Now, also a must is your power board. So we got the Amp Research power boards. It had those fixed, ugly running boards from the factory. Also, it had ugly 18-inch wheels. I mean, no. So we just took care of that, made it so much better. The Amp Research for all walks of life, just improve your entry and exit. I mean, it drops down 3 inches lower. You're in and out with the money set up, and you've already seen us showcase the interior qualities of the Expedition. So premium. I mean, I'll put this interior up with any of them as far as the comfort, how comfortable the seats are, and all the convenience features that come with it. I'll put it up there with any of them, y'all. I'm telling you. Let's go to war. We want to talk about Denali or Tahoe or Escalade at a given price point. We're ready. We got another Expedition. We're going to maybe lower just a little bit, and some 24s coming for that, even that Lincoln Navigator. Okay. We got 4-wheel drive here, 2-wheel drive next. Okay. Stay tuned, y'all. You got to. This chrome piece around, all the way around, was chrome. We did black on that one. You noticed on the, hang on. Oh my gosh. This is number 4, Clay. What an idiot I am. This is number 4. What am I thinking, y'all? The first one was the OG red line. Then we did the Stormtrooper, and then the black. Oh my gosh. Did y'all catch that? Did y'all catch that? So here again, here's that other video, the red line, all right? Man, I gotta stay sharp. Out back, y'all, we've got those custom tail lights, which are truly changing the game, fully legal, got just what's black that it needs to be. And coming around here, you've got all the light that can still emit through the red area. Just looks so great. Perfect. Y'all, they may be coming to get us off this spot right here. You hear the sirens going off. They may be coming for us. We did black across the Expedition right here, which looks great. The perimeter goes around still, and the custom emblem is so money. And then your lower hitch cover, we did gloss black on that as well as your hitch cover plate right there, but that looks so much more premium. Our mild to wild scale, I know a lot of y'all have told me, like, Real Deal, roll with a more aggressive stance. Well, we can do that. We have to go with a shorter tire, so we can go a little bit wider, but this mild to wild scale is very mild. We're tucked in very nicely, but for those of you that everyday drive the Expeditions, you can see, I mean, it's a great setup. It's slightly more aggressive, and then if you take a step back and just look at the overall rear stance of the Expedition, it just looks so premium, so amazing. I mean, you're looking at essentially, you're getting a $100,000 vehicle for 15 grand back of that, with so much more goodies and options, and a rarity in that this is a one of one. You can go buy all these other SUVs that are north of 100 grand, but you're not getting that rare one of one. Why with this custom? And check out the window sticker. Pause here for the options. A great low price. A total MSRP of $64,775 enables us to incorporate our Covert Edition package to take it to the upper 80s before discount. We think about this, y'all, because we don't want to overload vehicles. We don't want to do ones that are too elevated in price point that will make it even more unrealistic. This here, y'all, is us trying to do the best we can to bring value to the market with a great overall entry-level package with great features and amenities, and doing bad boy upgrades to take it to the next level. A few more items. Lumar window tint is a staple in all of our custom builds. Paint protection film is almost a must too. There's so many things on the road that can cause issues with your paint. So especially if you do custom paint, you need to do some sort of ceramic coat and or paint protection to ensure that you're protecting your investment and keeping it looking as good as it can for as long as it can. Paint protection on this one was added on your inside edge cups right there, as well the side of your door portions right there too. So it's very clear, cannot see it, but it gives you great protection from the nails, the rings, or just the mishaps that are going to happen, knocking the edge of garage doors or other cars in the parking lot. So that paint protection just gives you added confidence on your everyday use of this phenomenal truck. So this SUV is about to go in the showroom. Right now, that's where we're headed now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. We like to go off the dealership as much as possible. So we're out here in the great city of Winder, where we hope to see this vehicle along with all of our others riding around, enjoying life, loving the custom Covert life, y'all. Thanks so much for watching Real Deal Neal. We got a lot more, so you got to stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button and smash that like button, because that'll make sure that all great folks out there like you get to see this video as well. So thanks so much, y'all, and as always, stay safe. Peace out.